What's up, guys? I just got a new funnel set up for my accounting website. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how to set up your Facebook pixel and start tracking events. So basically, I'm in the business.facebook.com business events manager. Once you sign in here and get your account set up, you can go to Events Manager and Pixels. I set up a new pixel for this. I have another one for a lot of my marketing stuff. This one's going to be for accounting, so I want to keep the data separate. Basically what you do is add new data source, and then you'll set up the pixel. I'm not going to walk you through that, but basically that's what I did. So I'm going to go into the pixel here. As you can see, it's already getting some data because I just set it up. But basically how you set it up is you go to Setup, Install Pixel. You want to go to Manually Install the code yourself. Scroll down to the second code here and just click this. It's going to copy it to the clipboard for you. You go to ClickFunnels, or wherever you're tracking your code. In ClickFunnels, you just go to Settings, and in Settings, you can set it in the head tracking code. Right there. Pretty much just paste it in there. And once you're done with that, go down to Save and Update Settings. So now that's going to track every step in your funnel. If you wanted to just track certain funnel steps, you would actually go into Edit Page, and then in the actual funnel step settings, you would put that code right in the header there. But there's really not a good reason not to just track all the steps. So you'd put it in the tracking code, right in the header code. Just paste that in there and X out, and then you'd save. But the next step, once you get your pixel installed, is to actually set up new events. And you're going to want to use Facebook's event setup tool. And you enter the website you're setting up events for. And it's going to walk you through how to do this pretty much. So once you get in this, I'm going to X all these out and just redo this for you guys. Pretty much you can track every button on this page, and you can set these to custom events. So then every time someone lands in your funnel, you can track each button and each event and even assign values to them if you have that set up. So we'll just go track new button. First one on the page is right here. From this drop down, you can select an event for that button. As you can see, it's got a few different ones: add to cart, initiate checkout, lead, purchase, add payment info, add to wish list, complete registration, contact, customize product, donate, find location, schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, or view content. For this one, I'm going to use lead. And what this button does is it pops up my form here. So then if they submit this, it's going to be complete registration. And see, sometimes it'll automatically do these for you because it kind of knows what's up. So I'm just going to do that for every button in the funnel. These are all going to be leads. So every time someone comes into my funnel and I see a new lead pop up in my pixel, I know they were at least interested enough to click the button. And then you can retarget those people with your Facebook ads. And then what's really powerful is you can create lookalike audiences in the future. So this is really easy to do, guys. It takes about 5 minutes to go from having no pixel to creating the pixel, installing it in your funnel, and then setting up the event. So I just want to do this quick training here to get you guys up to speed on that. Once you get that all set up, from then on, you'll be tracking all the data, all the visitors that come through. And as you know, if you track it, that's going to give you more insight into how well your funnel's designed. You might want to split test some things and just try to get better conversions. And also the power of Facebook ads is really important. So get that set up, guys. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. But I think it's pretty straightforward. Make sure you go to business.facebook.com. Set up your account if you haven't yet. You can link it to your page. And from that point, you just follow the steps I just walked you through. And you'll have data coming in no time.